Welcome back to the Blue Garage, guys. I'm Greg. Got the ZR2 behind me. About to go through a major change. Right now we're in Yuma, Arizona. Gonna drive to San Diego here in 2 days. Drop the vehicle off. I won't have it for 2 weeks. Fiberwerx will be taking care of me. Installing the carbon fiber fenders on the front end and bedside. So got that wider look to it, got the carbon fiber look to it, and I think I'll be able to squeeze 37s on there. So without further ado, guys, I'm gonna let Fiberwerx get to it. I'm gonna drop it off, and then you guys will see me again for the big reveal.
Blue Garage.
Well, guys, the plan has changed a little bit, but you guys are going to see the final product here in a moment. Originally, I was going to drop off the truck with Fiberwerx, as I did, and they were going to provide me with video of the install, removal of the old, in with the new, and their videographer bailed on them, which stuff happens, guys. Not Fiberwerx's fault. The team did a phenomenal job. I want to thank Jason, Brandon, and Lucas, and the rest of the team that did the install. The truck looks phenomenal. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this time to show you where the truck was just a short period ago. We'll say October of 24 till now. A lot has changed. It's basically gone from a stock truck with an AWE exhaust to where it is today. Everything you guys need is down below. The links are down below to get your wide body carbon fiber or fiberglass kit from Fiberwerx. Months ago, I decided, I think it was February of 25, I decided, hey, you know what? I'm gonna go with the carbon fiber kit over the fiberglass. It's kind of a toss-up which one I was gonna go with. I decided carbon because number one, I ended up going with the carbon fiber hood in June. So that kind of set things all together. Plus, in my opinion's not always the right opinion, but I just think it looks a lot better, more of a finished product if I'm not gonna wrap it or paint it right away. And like I said, it just blends so well with that hood. Carbon fiber is a more durable product, lightweight, just as fiberglass is as well, but lighter than the stock panels that are on there. So I ended up going with carbon fiber myself. I know plenty of others on Instagram and YouTube that have gone fiberglass, and it's a lot easier to fix fiberglass or manipulate the product. It does have its benefits over carbon if you decide to go that route. So right now I'm running 35 by 12.5 by 17 LT Nitto Ridge grapplers. After this, I should be able to fit 37s no problem, because 4-inch bulge, meaning 2 inches wider on either side, and 2-inch rise in the fenders and bedsides now. So it gives me a lot more clearance. I can run my long travel whenever that time comes. You guys know me. I can't settle with where I'm at. I keep doing another thing. The job never ends. It's addicting modifying a vehicle. Once you finish one project, you come up with 10 more, it seems. But I'll get to it here soon. 37s, they're on their way. Another thing I did get with this install is I threw on hub-centric spacers, 2-inch spacers from Dirt King. What it did with my +0 offset just matched the 2 inches with the new wide body. So again, the truck looks so much more aggressive, looks head over heels better than I ever thought it would look. I mean, you see pictures of other trucks, but then seeing it in person, it's mind-blowing. So a lot more work yet to be done, but the biggest transformation by far just happened with this project. Coming up next, you guys have seen it if you have Instagram. Down in the link below, also I will post, or in the description of the video, I'll post a link ahead of time to the Test Feel carbon fiber and perforated leather steering wheel. You can get yours on Amazon. It's amazing. I expected this product to cost, you know, over $1,000. Very affordable. It'll be in the link below. But more carbon fiber, guys. Everything's blending in, coming together very quickly for the truck. And who knows what's next after that. So if you picked up this channel back in October of 24, back whenever I started shooting with Daniel, or maybe previously with Big Blue, a lot has changed since then, and especially with this truck. We had the stock suspension, stock wheels and tires back in October of 24. Now we're running the Peak Suspension Summit kit with the coilovers. Oh man, the thing rides amazing. As you'll see in some of these clips, we had some fun before taking this truck to Fiberwerx. You guys get to see the wheels and tires if you go back and look at that install at Negretti's tire shop. We've done so much, all the Baja design lights, you name it. So a lot more to come, a lot more work coming up with JJ Fab. He did the front bumper completely custom. He's actually in the process of revamping my chase light brackets on my bed, so look out for those coming soon. And then also installing the new brackets behind the grill for my light bar. So you can see in my videos, light bar is installed. However, we got to tweak with where it's positioned. Right now it's a little low. We got to bump it up a little bit so it's not blocked by the grill. Those brackets that are on there now were made for a regular Silverado grill, not the ZR2 model. Just this week, after getting the truck back, I did take off the gas cap lid and I sent it out to EBCO out in California. So looking forward to getting that back in carbon fiber. It'll blend in obviously with the bedsides that I have now. Guys, if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share with your friends. Let me know also what you guys think you want to see done next on the ZR2. Maybe it's a product you've been contemplating, or maybe it's something everybody else has that you just want to see how it's installed. Overall, guys, couldn't be happier with the work that Fiberwerx did. Thank you guys so much. Hope you guys like this video too. To hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share with your friends. It's definitely worth the drive if you're within driving distance to El Cajon. Fiberwerx does a phenomenal job. Let them work on your truck. If you can't drive it there yourself, get your truck shipped out to them. You won't be disappointed. Guys, if you guys want to get your carbon fiber or fiberglass kit for your truck, get in the links below, fiberwerx.com, and they will set you up. Brandon, Lucas, and Jason, they will help you out, get you set up for your truck, whether it be Silverado like mine, F-150, Tundra, Tacoma, they've got you hooked up.
I don't ever wanna feel like I did that day. Take me to the place I love. Take me all the way. I don't ever wanna feel like I did that day. Take me to the place I love. Take me all the way.
Guys, another great video. Huge shout out to everybody on the Fiberwerx team that put in the time and effort and all the work that went into this project. Got the carbon fiber fenders and bedsides installed. I think it looks phenomenal. Matches that hood amazing, or perfectly, I should say. I couldn't be happier. Anderson's composite hood with the Fiberwerx fenders and bedsides. Perfect match. Couldn't be happier. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.